Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will share you beautiful woodcrafts ideas. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is weavers. Friends, wood is a natural and timeless material. It is strong, durable, and easy to transfer into amazing handmade items. Woodcrafts add warmth, beauty, and rustic touch to any space. Whether you are a beginner or experienced woodcrafts projects are fun and rewarding. Let's explore some wonderful wooden crafts ideas. Wooden wall art. Create stunning wall decoration using wood pieces, paint, seeing wooden wall art gives your home a cozy and elegant look. Wooden candle holders. Simple wooden candle holders are beautiful and easy to make. They add a warm and peaceful atmosphere to your home. And the weavers. And my next idea is friends. Weavers. Wooden flower pot. Decorate wood plants are perfect for flower, herbs, and small indoor plants. Wooden photo frame and weavers. I hope you viewers are enjoying videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next.